Hey, I wanted to tell you what I did with my garage door opener the other day. So, a while back, I may have done some warranty voiding operations on my garage door opener because the light bulb wouldn't ever light, the one that's supposed to turn on when the door opens. So I tried to fix it by doing things with the socket that holds the light bulb to try to get it to make the connection that it wasn't making in there. And eventually the socket stopped working. So we just left it like that for a long time. We didn't have a light in the garage when the garage door went up. We do have a socket that we can turn on with the switch, but nothing when the garage door opens. So you got to remember to turn it on even if you're leaving during the daytime, so that the light will be on when you get back at night. That's kind of a pain. So I got to thinking, and a little while back I put some LED inset lights in my kitchen. They were pretty cheap, so I figured I could get one of those and hardwire it to the wire of my garage door opener, and that should give me a long-lasting, fairly bright LED light bulb or light fixture inside of that. LED kit off Amazon. I'll link down below with the link to this kit. Bought it, I figured it would last a lot longer than your regular incandescent bulb, and can wire it up to the wire that's behind this socket, and should have a very long lasting bulb that'll come on every time my garage door goes up. Comes with screws, wire nuts on there. Has the wires in the back of it. It's also got some little things. I don't know what those are. For the Chamberlain, I've got a half-horse opener. Pop open the front, and that reveals the socket here on the side. But what I've got to do is actually get this front piece off so that I can get the wires that are behind the socket. So if you look right here, you see the two wires that are going through this is where the socket was originally, and I've just connected those wires there, and I just have my light fixture, this little guy here, and I just set it down into the dome and close it up just like that. And then I wanted to make sure I pointed it kind of down. It doesn't shoot directly down, but it hits this this piece here, which diffuses the light a bit, and it lights it up enough to where if you're coming home at night and you hit that switch, the door goes up. You have plenty of light to look around the garage and actually get into the house without running into things, which was a problem for a long time. Again, I'll put the links below to the things that I use. It was just literally that one piece, and then that came with the wire nuts and everything that you needed to hook it up. But I thought it was cool that it worked, and it actually worked really well for what I was trying to do. So thanks for watching. Let me know if you try it yourself.